So you're not wrong, I have a tendency to chew men up and spit them out and whirl. You see, that's what this song is all about.